Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining the problem and measurable success criteria. This shapes every technical choice you make. Once done, pick an AI deployment mode, on-device for latency, cloud for scale, and note constraints like memory or cost. Make sure to inventory data sources, plan labeling and data augmentation, and confirm legal requirements such as privacy and consent. These concrete foundations let you pick architectures and tooling that actually fit the product instead of inventing them later. Now you implement the core. Fine-tune or adapt a pre-built model to your labeled data, tracking experiments and metrics. Once the prototype works locally, build production plumbing, scalable data pipelines, model serving endpoints, and robust APIs. Make sure to add CI/CD for model and app releases, automated tests, and observability dashboards. Optimize later. Apply quantization, batching, or caching to reduce latency, and define graceful fallback behaviors so the app stays useful when the model struggles. Finish by launching incrementally. Use feature flags and /B tests to validate impact while limiting exposure. Once live, monitor model accuracy, latency, and data drift, and gather user signals to prioritize retraining. Make sure to automate retraining pipelines and version control models and data. If things go wrong, use rollback and rate limiting immediately. Maintain explainability logs and an incident runbook so you can trace and fix root causes quickly. This keeps the app reliable and improvable over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.